Hello student, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends so that you can release pressure of each other. Thanks in advance. All the best. Get success, my child. Here one question from the carboxylic acid must come, and you should know all the common name of the dicarboxylic acid so that it will be very easy for you. So arrange increasing order of acidic strength of the following dicarboxylic acid: oxalic acid, succinic acid, malonic acid and adipic acid. So if you know the structure, then you will find out it is very easy. Now see here, I will give you one tip. Nearer the two, all of them are dicarboxylic acid. I told you I have written here dicarboxylic acid. Means two COH group are present in all of them. So nearer the two carboxylic group, more will be the acidity. Why it is so? Because COH group is a strong electron withdrawing group, exert minus I effect, and it will increase the acidity of the given acid. Now see, I have written oxalic acid, adipic acid, succinic acid, malonic and oxalic. See, oxalic acid is 1, 2 ethane dioic acid. Here malonic acid 1, 3 propane dioic acid. Then succinic acid 1, 4 butane dioic acid. And this is 1, 5 pentane dioic acid. Clear? So this is 4 butane dioic acid, this is 1, 3 dioic acid, propane dioic acid, this is 1, 2 ethane dioic acid. So which is having nearest COH, this is strongly electron withdrawing group, it will make this H very OH bond very polar, H release will be very easy. Okay, most acidic is oxalic acid, followed by malonic acid. Why? Because it is propane dioic acid or propane 1, 3 dioic acid. So this is strong electron withdrawing group and increases the this acidic nature of this carboxylic group. Why? Because minus I effect will make this release of H positive more easier. As the distance of COH is going farther and farther, acidity is decreases. So this is less acidic than oxalic acid, but more acidic than succinic acid. Why? Because in succinic acid, the COH group is farther, 1, 2 methylene group are present over here, so it is farther away, 1/4 position, and this is least acidic among the given because it is 1, 5 pentane dioic acid. Clear to you? Very easy. And if what do you think, what you have to do? Only thing is you have to write down all these structure. They are common. This is common name. This is IUPAC name. If you know 1, 2, 1, 3 like this, so you will be find it very easy. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. That's it. Okay. Now accordingly name also. Now correct order